Good morning guys, and welcome back to a new video. I still guys in Algeria, exactly in Wahran, in second largest city in Algeria. So guys, before we start, let's get some energy. I want to show you Algerian people what they eat in breakfast. So let's find some nice coffee to eat and show you Algerian breakfast, what Algerian people they eat in breakfast. So I want to show you where I am now. Look at that. Actually, I have no idea where I am. I'm just walking around the city. So look at that, guys. Oh, there is a mosque here. Wow. So vamos. Guys, look at this building. I swear God, I feel like I am in Paris or in somewhere. Look at that, how it look. There is like a gold there. Wow. Here in this city there is a lot of African people from South Africa, from Nigeria, and I think they are a refugee here. So look where I am now. This place is called Fort de Mer, I think, and look at that. This is me. Let's cross the street. Wow. Opa. There is a nice hotel here. Look at that. So guys, I want to show you what Algerian people eat in breakfast. Some of them they drink milk with coffee, but me, I choose to eat it's called this milfay and this croissant. It's like a French people, and they drink milk, but I order just I don't know how it's called, this star. It's just like a Red Bull, you know. And so let's give a try milfay. Actually guys, I don't like to eat milfay and croissant at morning because I am in diet, but what we can do, this is everything because of you. So let's give a try. Algerian people, they eat like this, you know. Wait, I'm gonna show you how they eat. But I don't know why they do like that, but just I wanna follow them. Like this, and cheers. It's really good. It's creamy and it's sweet. It's everything because of you guys, I swear. Because I start to have a belly fat, you know, for that reason I'm in diet. But for you, because of you guys, I can do everything, I swear. Let's give a try, this one. It's like a Red Bull, same. Now let's give a try croissant. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Sometimes when I bought croissant, I found inside like a chocolate, like a Nutella, but there is nothing inside. Look at that. I like. Lovely. I want to show you where I am, guys. Look at that, where I am. The sun is shining and hello, shukran. Look at how it's looking inside. Not bad. And some Algerian people, they drink with milk. They do like this. They put inside and they eat directly. But guys, actually, honestly, I don't like to drink milk. Sometimes I like to drink coffee with milk, but usually I drink only cappuccino or Nescafe or like that, or tea. Alhamdulillah, thanks God for everything. Now let's go walk a little bit and try another traditional food or a local food. It's called asban. So I don't know how they cook it, so I'm just going to try. So vamos. So I just want to tell you how much cost me breakfast, what I eat. Milfei and croissant and star. Everything cost me like 90 cents. You know, it's pretty cheap, guys. And in tourist place, so if in local place it will be more cheap. I think it will be 70 cents, like 150 Algerian dinar. So yeah, it's really good price.
Few moments later.
عليكم سخسي خويا، وين شكون يبيع العصبان مليح؟
العصبان طلع لاباسي.
وين جات لاباسي؟ راه كمل ديريكسيون دو لاكوش.
طلع نيشان. وزيد تحكم طريق موبيليس. طلع كي تكمل الطريق هذيك طلع هكا.
تكمل
زيد دور دروات.
دور دروات.
قول لهم لاباسي.
لاباسي.
تلقى واحد يقول له لاباسي يقول لك هاي كي تدخل لاباسي.
بيع عصبان مليح.
على ما
اوكي شكرا. So I asked him where I can find asban in here in Wahran. I'm really excited to try asban. So look at where I am. Actually, in this city there is a beautiful girls here. So you can see, guys, here people making picture with this garage. What's called Disco Maghrib. I don't know why people making picture here. Yesterday when I was here in this place, lots of people taking picture with this garage. I think DJ Snake, he come here and he make a club clip. How to say it in English? I forget. I'm just walking. I don't know where I am exactly. I get lost. And look where I am now. What the fuck? Where I am? I swear God, I have no idea where I am now. Let's go from here. These places, guys, it reminds me when I've been in Cairo. Look at the buildings. Similar. I am in Cairo again. Look at that. I still didn't find someone who sell asban. I was in two shops and I asked them if there is like someone sell asban, and they told me like they don't sell it in summer. They sell it, you know, but not too much, you know. Like it's really hard to find like someone sell asban in summer, you know. So I really get upset. I was really excited to try it, but what we can do, guys, next time. I still have a time. I'm in Algeria now. So that's... So guys, I bought this Amazon drink. It's energy, you know, 30 cents. Pretty cheap, guys. I always usually I drink only TNT, you know, but I didn't find TNT, so I bought this drink. So we will try it and I will tell you guys. Amazon, look at that. It's made from Algerian made in Algeria. Let's give it a try. Not bad, good. It's really good. I swear guys, this energy drink, it's better than TNT what usually I drink. From now I will buy only this drink. Look at that. And guys, you see this place? This is called Fort de Mer, I think. My French is really bad. And here they will bothering you, you know, because they will try to sell you things like glasses, watch, you know, and they were really bothering you, you know. So my advice to you guys, try to avoid them, you know. Like me, what I do, I ignore them, you know, because if you start to talk with them, they will try to make you pressure, like to buy, like they will bother you, you know what I mean, guys. So my advice to you, only just ignore them or don't listen to them. Rule number 1. So guys, I would like to end this video here, this beautiful view behind me. Just I want to say thank you for watching, and take care of yourself. See you in the next video, and stay blessing. And remember guys, life, it's beautiful adventure.